Hello everyone, today we'll be seeing how to fix your Xiaomi TV keeps turning off. So for that, fix number 1 is turning off and turning on your TV as well as your router, and then turn it on again. After turning it on again, it should fix your problem. Fix number 2 is just removing each and every peripheral devices connecting on the side of your TV, and after that just turning off your TV and then turning it on again. Fix number 3 is just pressing your home button on your TV, and you will be seeing that the light will be blinking. It means that it is restarting, and then seeing that it is being restarted and it should resolve your problem. It is basically an hard reset of your TV. Fix number 4 is TV is flickering now also, so you should just update the software of your TV. So for that, just go to the setting option, go for an option of systems. In systems, go for an option of about and system update. So you can update the system. If there is any update, you can update it. Fix number 5 is resetting your system. Factory reset your system to its default values and it should resolve your problem. Thanks, hope you like the information. Thanks for watching.